And in today's video, what I want to show y'all is how to solder two wires together. So a splice. So what you're going to need is a pair of wire cutters or a knife or a pair of wire strippers like these. So you can strip the insulation off the wire. And then you're going to need a soldering iron and solder. Obviously, how else would you solder it? Well, you could solder with a torch or something, but that wouldn't be as quality. Anyways, so first step, heat your soldering iron up. You don't have to have a fancy soldering iron or anything. It can just be one of them $5 ones from Walmart or something. Anyways, strip your insulation off your wires. About half an inch or something. So, and then get them all twisted up. Then you're going to twist them together like this. And there you go. Then you take your soldering iron and your solder, and you take your soldering iron and your solder. You put the copper on there, like so. And then you start melting solder onto your cables. And try not to breathe in all the fumes because they're not good for you. Make sure you get both sides and everything. And there you go. Just like that. You got a nice splice with your solder. You can take some tape and wrap this up. Or you can take one of these end caps and stick it on there. And there you go. Just like that. Thanks for watching. This has been Wyatt, and goodbye.